First go to the file and choose open. Select this image. Click open. Now take the pen tool, enable the shape option. Now select the empty visiting card like this. Right click on the shape layer and choose convert to smart object. Open blend modes and choose linear burn. Double click on this layer's thumbnail. Go to the file and choose place embedded. Select this visiting card image here. Hit place. Hold the Alt button and increase the image size like this. Press enter. Right click on this layer and choose create clipping mask. Now go to the file and choose save. Then go to the main window. Now right click on this layer and choose blending options. Here adjust the underlying layer option like this. Press OK. Let's see the final result.